Now in the last video we saw multiple selection through checkbox. Now we'll see how we'll do single selection through radio button, which is like you can select only one item, so that's mutually exclusive. Choose gender. We also need label to show the text value. I'm going to copy this and paste it 2 times. Okay, so the code is ready. Now you could just select one of it, not all. So what makes this happen is this. All these 3 values should have the same name. Now if I make this 2 and 3, could still do multiple selection. So with radio button, the exclusive selection or a single selection is possible only when the names are same.